And then this is my work mode when I'm on the side of the road for doing utility work during the day as an electrician. All of the lights turn to yellow and white. So fantastic for the money spent. Be able to use it for work and for fire response. Pretty sweet deal. So the back 8 head turns into yellow. The back truck bed lights turn into yellow as well, and the hideaway cannons are still white. So as soon as I turn on the emergency mode with 1, 2, and 3, it overrides all of the yellow, turns it back into red and white.